Hi everyone, I'm Angus Smith, Technical Project Lead for Severn Trent on our flagship Mansfield Sustainable Flood Resilience project. This scheme aims to create a blueprint for how we can manage flood risk in a more sustainable manner at catchment level using nature-based solutions. I'm incredibly proud not only of the detention basin you can see behind me, but of all 343 interventions that we've installed across Mansfield in the last 3 years, taking a whopping 31 million litres of surface water out of our sewer network every time that it rains. This reduces flood risk for around 90,000 people living in Mansfield, but also makes it a much greener and cleaner place to live. This type of project delivery requires incredible collaboration from all parties involved, and I'm incredibly proud of the part that I've played in that.
I'm Jacqueline Diaz-Nieto, Associate SuDS Engineer at DPG. The project that I'm most proud of is working on a real-life project with Doncaster Council, looking at implementing hundreds of little SuDS in a catchment where there's some real-life surface water flooding issues. So one of the reasons I'm really proud of working on this project is because it provides a lovely link to my long history in SuDS, because I did a PhD almost 20 years ago doing almost a similar thing, which is why I'm really proud and happy to have that link in my career and being able to work on real-life projects and demonstrating the benefits of SuDS. And we've come up with a really neat way called a violin plot of demonstrating and quantifying by exactly how much the affected flood properties are alleviated by flood risk when you drop lots of SuDS into a catchment.
I'm Marcus, and for the past 10 years, I've been delivering nature-based flood adaptation across London. At Northbrook Park, we've restored a wetland, created a wet woodland, and brought a buried stream back to the surface. It's the first step in a bold, community-led vision to stitch together fragmented green spaces into a new district park. The park sits just upstream of one of Lewisham's highest flood risk areas, where the South Circular is previously flooded. By diverting a 14-hectare drainage catchment through SuDS, the scheme helps to protect homes and critical infrastructure downstream. What was once an overlooked corner of the park is now thriving. It hosts forest school sessions, features signage co-designed with local pupils, and draws in regular volunteers and visitors. We've secured 10 years of funding to support stewardship, helping to ensure this space continues to deliver for nature, resilience, and the community for years to come.